Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another VR video and we're back in Animal Company. Pretty much, I needed someone else for this video, so let me just get 1 second. Introduce to you this guy.
Hello.
Alright, so pretty much I'm gonna be showing off my mech design, basically. And I've been looking forward to making this video for a while. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so over here, this guy got his car, which looks really nice, by the way. And if you'll come over here, this is, as I like to call it, the Nova Mech. Here's what we got. Here's what we got. You put this part on your back. You grab the two handles, and you're now in the Nova Mech. You can hover, and you can shoot dual cannons. Really cool. This mech is you can punch people.
Ow. Ow.
Alright, so in the mirror, it looks like this. It's pretty sick. Alright, do you want to try it on?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. Put this on your back. Put it on your back.
Oh.
You grab onto the arms. And now, you're in the Nova Mech. You control it just like you would your normal character. Like walk. Yeah, like that.
Whoa. It's big.
Yeah, it's really
Oh yeah, watch this parkour, bro. Watch this parkour.
Oh, you can also use the hover mechanic to go really fast. If you think the walking's a bit too slow. But you have to activate both hands.
So like this.
Yo, knock knock, who's there? Giveaway gun!
What?
The weakness of every mech. 20 trillion laboobos. Alright.
No, boo-boo.
Yes, but this is spoilers. Don't look at this. This is very much spoilers. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this next video. Give you another look. Spoilers! Alright. That's... Okay. Alright. We're gonna join a PvP code, and we're gonna have a battle between two mech suits. I don't know why I'm holding up a 1. Let's do it.
2 mech.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Fight! Ah! Get back here! Get back here! Oh! Damn it! He's shooting me! Gonna give up. Yeah. Oh, we have to box now. We have to box. Oh shoot! I'm cheating. Oh, pink! Oh, up the clean uppercut into the down air. I missed it. Get the bug. Where is he? Oh shoot! I forgot I have the radar. Ah, that hurt. All right, we got a box. Oh! Come here, boy. No! Round 2. Fight! Oh, he's instantly going into those beats. If you hit the pilot directly with one of those beams, it's instant kill. Right, I gotta check my radar. Where is he? Woo! Stand by for Titanfall. Protocol 3, protect the pilot. Get back here. Unleashing all the beams. I'm attacking. Did I win? Where is he? I'm scared. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Gotta shoot all the rest of my lasers. I'm out of ammo! No! No! Oh no! Bro! Alright, this is the final round. We don't know where the other is, and we're in fourth. 3, 2, 1! Final round! Fight! Yo, I just hit the 1-2 combo. Oh shoot, where is he? I got you in my sight. I got you in my sights, bro. Mech! Ow! Where is he?
Hit you, Dr. Pepper can.
Oh! I got him with the laser! The pinpoint shot! Alright, GG, you still won because you won the previous 2 matches. Bonus round, Ogie Boy, Mech versus Ogre. Wait, I can like pick up the boulder. Can I pick it up? Oh my god! Yo, I can pick up the boulder. So, that will basically be all for today's video. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing. My next video will also be a build showcase, but it's gonna be cooler. Alright,
Like and
so
subscribe.
pretty much, listen to this guy, or I will bonk your kneecaps with this wrench.